Using a buffalo air fryer, and what I did was I lined the tray with turmeric leaf at the bottom of the paper. I lined it with baking paper because I'm just too lazy to clean up, right? Just take away that paper and throw it away, so easy. Okay, so I do this, right? Then this fish, this is sardines. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Oh, sorry, there's only 6 fishes. So half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, marinate it, and put it in there, okay? Okay, just marinate. Make sure everything is coated. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Any space? 6. The turmeric gives it a really nice fragrance, which is why I want to bake it on the turmeric leaf itself. The other one is banana leaf. Banana leaves are also very good. Okay? Okay, so this is done. Close. I bake, but I don't want 13 minutes. I want 15 minutes. Done. So it's actually cooked, but I want it brown. Okay, so I'll cook another few minutes. Okay, my fish is done. Thanks for watching. Very simple, right?